Get ready to embrace the ultimate hair rebellion. The wolf cut is roaring back for autumn 2025, and it's cooler than ever. But here's where it gets controversial. While some see it as a nostalgic nod to the 70s shag, others argue it's a bold reinvention that transcends decades. Love it or hate it, this hybrid hairstyle is impossible to ignore. Think of it as the edgy love child of the 70s shag and early 2000s layers. With a dash of 80s mullet attitude thrown in for good measure, it's choppy, layered, and effortlessly cool. The kind of cut that screams, "I woke up like this," even if you spent an hour perfecting it. From #beauty talk to the red carpet, everyone's obsessed, and for good reason. It's messy, but in the most intentional way possible. To dive deeper into this trend, we chatted with Kaz Sakas, the mastermind behind some of London Fashion Week's most iconic looks. As a 3-time British Hairdresser of the Year and Tawny Guy's global creative director, Kaz knows a thing or two about what makes a hairstyle timeless. According to him, the wolf cut's appeal lies in its versatility and raw, undone vibe, a trend that's blowing up on TikTok as users experiment with shapes and textures. And this is the part most people miss. While the wolf cut shares the movement and texture of the 70s shag, think Stevie Nicks' effortless waves, it's sharper and more disconnected. Shorter layers through the crown give it a modern edge, while longer lengths at the nape keep it grounded. It's a style that evolves, which is why it's just as relevant today as it was 50 years ago. The key? Don't take it too seriously. Have fun with it. Celebrities are all over this trend, each putting their own spin on it. Miley Cyrus adds a rock and roll edge, while Billie Eilish and Chung soften it with a touch of mystery. But who does it suit best? If you've got natural texture and a rebellious streak, this cut's for you. Just remember, it takes confidence to pull off, and a willingness to embrace the mess. Styling the wolf cut is an art. The goal? To look like you haven't styled it. Twist, rough dry, or scrunch your hair with your hands. Sea salt spray, like Label M's Fashion Edition, is your secret weapon for that imperfect, lived-in finish. Maintenance is key, though. Regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks are non-negotiable. And while it may look low effort, keeping it in top condition requires weekly deep conditioning. Try Label M's M-Plex bond-repairing miracle mask for smooth, nourished locks. Here's the bold question. Is the wolf cut a nostalgic throwback or a bold statement of modern individuality? Let us know in the comments. We're dying to hear your take on this divisive yet undeniably cool trend.